traditionally real estate was a field where it's not taught in colleges or universities in India, and RICS is a pioneer in that, training in real estate. And now the generation which is coming into real estate with RICS training and degrees will make a big difference to bring professionalism in the industry. No industry can prosper without talent. I've been in the industry for a long time, and I remember the biggest challenge for our growth, even now to some extent, is not the market. For a lot of other countries, the market is a challenge. Here, it's really the talent which is a challenge.
So we did not have enough education institutes to train people for construction, or train people for brokerage, or train people for maintaining the building. They were engineers, and they were civil engineers, and they were mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, but they had never thought of building a career in real estate. And I think the role of RICS becomes very critical here in making sure that we counsel the young population that we have in this country, steer their careers, guide them, and help them get jobs in the sector. And what this will do, this will actually elevate the standards of the industry, because when you have a qualified person joining a company, whether it's developer, investor, or contracting company, or whoever, or a building manager, for example, will make a contribution.
You need professional people in every walk of life. You need specialists in every walk of life, people who specialize, who've had that training, the education, what RICS provides. And that is what even investors and clients look for.
We always talk about the shortage of residential housing units in this country. We don't talk about the shortage of qualified talent. And I think, I think there's currently a shortage of quality talent. And I think that, that shortage is going to increase unless, we have new professionals focusing on real estate. And, it's just not real estate. It is finance, it is marketing, it is legal, it is compliance, it is. So, real estate really is a bouquet of a whole bunch of stuff. And, my view is that there's a lot more sophistication that is needed in the talent that is, that is going to be needed in the Indian real estate going forward. If you look at, how many institutions are really focusing on real estate as an industry, you'll find that you can count them on your fingers. The fact that RICS is such a credible institution out of the UK, and, they've really done a lot for the Indian real estate industry.
A well-trained, skilled person can have a direct impact on one side, environment, on the other side, reducing cost, on the other side, making the organization they're working for more profitable because they're more organized and skillful. So I think the impact is far-reaching, and I expect RICS to play a big role in that space.
We cannot, like I mentioned, grow in this industry till the time we don't attract the best talent. And traditionally, I was saying 15, 20 years back, a lot of the top talent was not coming into a real estate industry. And we're seeing that trend change, and going forward, we will attract, I am confident the real estate industry will attract the top brains of the country, and RICS School of Built Environment will play a major part in that.
There is a need to have people who understand the business, people who specialize in property, people who've had the education in property, who understand not just the finance of it, but even understand how the building is constructed, what use do you do, what is the market like. It's a complex business, and so you need professionals to handle this business.
But I'd like to say one thing here. A lot of people talk about doing an MBA, and an MBA being a great network. I think what RICS does gives you is it gives you an access to a very, very great network of real estate professionals, which if you had to go and do on your own without a RICS would be, much harder.